Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will start our chapter number 9, Area and Perimeter. Area. What is area? Area is a measure of the amount of space inside the flat shape of figure. Dear students, we will learn how to find area in square units. Look at the square on the right. Each side of the square is 1 unit long. The amount of space taken up by this square is 1 square unit. As you can see, the amount of space taken by this figure is 8 square units. You can count these squares. These are 8 squares. We can also say that the figure has an area of 8 square units. Twinkle cut out some identical squares from a piece of paper to form figure X as shown below. Dear students, each square is 1 square unit. Each half is 1/2 square unit. And you know, 2 halves make 1 whole. So 2 half square units make 1 whole square unit. So figure X has an area of 6 square unit because you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 whole square units and 2 halves, that will be 1. So 5 plus 1 will be 6 square units. Jimbo made figure Y using some squares and half squares that she cut out. Which figure has a greater area, figure X or figure Y? As we can count, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole square units and 4 half square units. 4 means 2 whole square units. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. Figure Y is made up of 7 squares. So we can say figure Y has a greater area than figure X. On page number 176, we will learn to find area in standard units. You can see the square given below. All its sides are 1 centimeter long. This is a 1 centimeter square. The area of this square is 1 square centimeter or 1 cm square. The square centimeter is a standard unit of measurement for area. You have to learn these units. The first one is centimeter square. Jimbo forms a figure using 9 1 centimeter squares as shown. This is a 3 centimeter square. Since the figure is made up of 9 1 centimeter squares, its area is 9 centimeter squares. You can easily count these squares. These are 9 squares. So 1 is 1 centimeter. So 9 will make 9 centimeter squares. Can you find the area of this figure below? Yes. It has been given that the length of each side is 1 centimeter. So first we will count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares are making this figure. So we can say the area of this figure is 10 centimeter square. We can find the area of a figure by counting the number of 1 centimeter squares and half squares that make up the figure. Can you find the area of this figure? Dear students, first count the whole parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and there are 3 half square meters. So the area will be 21.5 centimeter square. And this is how we can write 21.5 centimeter square. Bubbles used some tape to mark out a square of sides 1 meter on the floor. This is a 1 meter square. Its area is 1 meter, 1 square meter, or we can write it 1 m square. The square meter is another standard unit of measurement for area. Now you can see the figure below. This figure is made up of 9 square meters. So the area is 9 meters square. This is the fascinating fact you have to learn. The area of an average football field is approximately 5,500 square meters. Dear students, now we will solve practice zone. The following figures are made up of 1 unit square and half squares. Find their areas, then answer the questions that follow. You can see the figure A. 4 whole parts and 2 halves make 1. So the area will be 5 square units. You can also count area of figure B and C. Then we will write 5, 9 and 6.5, and then we can easily answer the question below, which figure has the smallest area and which figure has the greatest area. Question number 2 is similar. The following figures are made up of 1 centimeter squares and half squares. Find their areas, then answer the questions that follow. The first one you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whole squares, 2 halves make 1, 5, and 1 is half, so 5.5 centimeter square. Other parts are similar. Then first question, which figure has the smallest area, which figure has the greatest area, which figures have the same area. So you have to write the figure names here. On next page, question number 3 is similar. The following figures are made up of 1 unit squares and half squares. Find their areas. Dear students, count the squares and half squares and write the areas below, and then match with these given answers. Question number 4. Find the areas of each of the following figures and complete the table below. Then answer the questions that follow. Dear students, these figures are made up of 1 meter squares. So count and write in meter squares. And then you have to answer which figure have the same area, which figure has the greatest area, figure U. Okay, question number 5 is find the areas of the following figures. A part is a figure that is made up of 8 1 meter squares and 2 such half squares. These students, 8 wholes and 2 half. 2 half will be 1, so the total area will be 9 meter square. B part is a figure that is made up of 3 1 centimeter squares and 5 such half squares. 3 centimeters, and again you can see 5 halves. 2 and 2 will be make 2 more whole parts. 3 and 2 will make 5, and 1 half will be remaining, so we can write 5.5 centimeter square or 5.5 centimeter square. Dear students, try by yourself and then match your answers with these given answers. Good luck.